Alright, I am doing a holster review today because everybody else is doing holsters. Why not? Again, this will probably be uploaded when nobody has done a holster review video in a long time. But my holster is pretty simple. As you can see in my carrying, it ain't on the waistband, that's for sure. Now, mine is just my back pocket. Works good enough. It is empty, clears. But, you know, when you're around the ranch, out at the farm, whatever else, yeah, you can have your back, you can have your holster and everything else, but if you don't feel like it, back pocket, good to go. Tactical back pocket, just your back pocket, I guess. Works just fine. You can tell which one has the gun in it, probably so. That's my cell phone. But for being out of deer camp, it's just my back pocket. Casual, get off the four-wheeler, get off the mule, the rhino, whatever. Walking around, oh, you might shoot yourself. I've seen videos of people shooting themselves pulling the gun out of the damn holster. So holster ain't got to make, ain't gonna make no shit. Okay. Check that out. Alright, so there we go. That's my holster. The helicopter's pretty cool. We're like right on their flight path for the military out here. They're flying out here. We got drones that fly over all the time. We actually got drones flying over at night, and I know that they're actually searching for labs and stuff like that as they fly over. But there we go. And there we are. Like I said, that's my holster review. Works out pretty good. My back pocket. Smoky Oak. Fine products from Smoky Oak. Your back pocket as your holster. Everybody order right now, we'll deliver it instantly. As soon as you put on a pair of pants, you have a Smoky Oak holster. So, there you are. Thanks for watching.